Hi everyone, just a quick video on tyre tread depths and the legalities of them. So we've got three ways of testing it. We've got the digital tread depth gauge here, which is about £10. We've got the old mechanical traditional one here, that's about £3, and we've got a quick test you can do with 20 pence, a 20 pence piece, if you just want to check if your tyre is legal or not. So what is legal or not? So if we're looking at the tyre here, in the UK, you're tested on the middle 75% of the tyre. So the two shoulders are not tested. They can be bald as long as they've not gone through, so you can see the cord or the construction of the tyre. That bit's fine. So it's the middle 75%, and in this country it's 1.6 millimeters. So the tread depth in this tyre must be 1.6 millimeters or greater. You normally get advisories at MOTs from about 3 millimeters downwards, because between 3 millimeters and 1.6 millimeters, the water clearance efficiency reduces massively, and the stopping distances are up to double. Bear in mind, a brand new tyre is between 6 and 8 millimeters depending on the manufacturer. So the three ways of testing it then. So I've got the digital one here. This one's nice and easy. If we just turn it on, you'll see there that we've got it'll tell you what it is in millimeters. I'll just push that back to flat. I will zero it, and then I'll put it against the tyre up here, and I'll push down in the groove there, and it will tell me this tyre has 5.78 millimeters of tread. Now the other important thing about doing tread depth is that you should test it evenly, or roughly evenly, in 3 places, because a tyre can go something called out of round, which basically means it has high spots and low spots. And if it has high spots and low spots, you might not capture the low spot, and therefore you might miss it. So 5.6 there, and then another third of the way around. Obviously if you don't have the luxury of a ramp, then you can always just roll the car backwards and forwards. And then one more time, we have 5.656. So this is quite consistent all the way around. The other one obviously is this old mechanical one here. I won't show you on the tyre because you've just understood what to do. And as you can see, it's gauged in millimeters and they're stepped. So as you push down in the groove, obviously wherever the casing ends and the line under the number is, then that's what it represents. So there you've got just about 8 millimeters of, if that was against the car. If you scroll it right up, they're normally whole numbers apart from this bit where it says 1.6 millimeters, because again that's the legal minimum in most countries. So again, if that was down and below there, then you'd be fine. If that was up and raised above there, then you've got an illegal tyre. And the two quick ways of checking, just if you want to know if your tyre is legal or not, is the old 20 pence piece trick. So the border on this 20 pence piece there is exactly 1.6 millimeters. So if I place it in the tread area like that, if I can't see the edge of the border, then it's a legal tyre. If I could see the border sticking out like so, then that would tell me that tyre's under 1.6 millimeters and I need to change it, and it will fail an MOT. But as it is, that's absolutely fine. Last thing as well on tyres that people don't realise is you've got these tread wear indicators. So those, the tops of those are 1.6 millimeters from the bottom. So when you've got an MOT and you're just looking at a tyre casually, or if you're looking at your own tyre, if that is scrubbing on the road as this tread's worn down, then that actually means that it's under 1.6 and it's a legal tyre once that starts touching the road surface and scrubbing against the tarmac. So hope that all makes sense, and we'll see you on the next one.